I'm ahead of you, dumbass. God.
You're a dumbass.
There you are, dumbass.
You're the dumbass.
Oh, the Shetlands are warming up.
All right, everyone. Welcome back to more Friday shenanigans. We're not doing a drag race this time, but Kenny and Bryce are at it again. And we're gonna do a little bit of a burnout competition. The way this works, you can do 2 burnouts. That being said, though, if you do go for the second burnout, your first one does not count. So you have to take that chance on that second burnout is better.
So if your second one sucks,
You
sucks to suck.
yes. Yeah, what did you do?
I bid it.
I did it.
No, I bid it.
Yeah, he's down the street.
He bid it.
He bid it.
He bid it.
He bid it, then did it.
He bid it. He did it.
He did it, would have been in it.
He bid it. Did it.
We know you guys don't know what that means, but it's okay. All right, guys, we got our panel of judges. Score them 1 through 5.
Round 1.
That was pretty good.
That was pretty good. Oh yeah, we didn't get a scoring. Well, we got 4, 3, 4, 4, 3.
Remember, there's no breaking. All of them. Hey, no breaking. Dude, that's all I do is, mine's horsepower.
All right, everyone stand clear. That's double.
Yeah, that was totally brakes. Why are you on the brakes?
All right, what are we giving that? All right, so we got 3.
Well, he does have an unfair advantage because I already know that he's running it 4 low.
4 low, not 4 low.
No, he's running it in 4 low, but his 4-wheel drive in the front doesn't work, so... Drive shaft is Bluetooth.
All right, he's going for the second one.
Round 2.
Oh, all right. Final score for.
You want a third one?
Are we giving him a sympathy run?
Maybe a third one.
Are we giving him a sympathy run? Patrick gives it a 1.
No, not even that.
Oh, 0. Never mind, Pat. That sucked.
Third one.
Final round.
I might do a neutral drop.
Uh-oh.
Bryce definitely stinks more.
Way more smoke and on the limiter.
Yeah, he I can't touch that, dude.
Can't touch
that.
5, 5, 5.
Yeah, that's 5, dude.
You owe me 100, brother.
What's happening?
What the hell?
Hey, brother.
Put it towards the new clutch, bro.
Oh, man. There you go.
Bam!